Hello dear students, here today we will discuss about the concept map of chapter number 5. Okay, the chapter number 5 of your science book, the name of chapter is Fundamental Unit of Life. So in our last video up to the nucleus description we do in our last video. Now here today we will continue the concept map of this chapter from very important cell organelles. The name of organelles is endoplasmic reticulum. The name of organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum is very important cell organelles which play a very important function in our body. So first of all we discuss about it is a network of tube and sheet. What is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum is network of tube and sheets. Okay, now second one, it act as a transport channel, means it act as a transport channel means all the function is be done by the endoplasmic reticulum. All the cell functions to be transport anything inside the cell is be done with the help of endoplasmic reticulum. Now these endoplasmic reticulums are of two main types. First one is your rough endoplasmic reticulum and second one is your smooth endoplasmic reticulum. On the base of either its shape is rough or its shape is smooth. On this base, this endoplasmic reticulum are of two main types. Now first one, we discuss about the rough endoplasmic reticulum. This rough endoplasmic reticulum play a very important role, and it is very important. It is very important endoplasmic reticulum because it helps in synthesis of proteins inside the cell. So from where protein come inside the cell? With the help of rough endoplasmic reticulum. What is present inside the cell to be make protein? Ribosomes. The circular ribosomes present in attached with rough endoplasmic reticulum. That's why its structure is rough. So these ribosomes help to be synthesis of protein inside the cell. So protein synthesis, who want to do protein synthesis inside the cell with the help of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now what do you mean by smooth endoplasmic reticulum? This the second type of endoplasmic reticulum is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This smooth endoplasmic reticulum also play a very important role. How it play an important role? Because it helps to make proteins and lipids and fat synthesis inside the cell is be done by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So and its very important function other than the production of lipids and fats, it helps in detoxified poisons and drug in liver cell of vertebrate. Means if we take any drug which is be harmful for us, सो द डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन मीन्स उसको क्या करते हैं, डिटॉक्सीफाई करना मीन्स उसको हमारी बॉडी को उस डिजीज़ उस ड्रग से बचाता है. ये किसका फंक्शन है? स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. ओके, एंड व्हेन दिस प्रोटीन एंड द लिपिड्स मेक some of the protein and lipids, when it helps to be making the plasma membrane. So the process of membrane, cell membrane, helping it, this lipids and protein help in to make a membrane, and this membrane to making this membrane is known as membrane biogenesis. So this is very important. This lipids and protein helps in making the membrane of our cell, and the process of making membrane with the help of lipids and proteins is known as membrane biogenesis. Now after this you have second very important cell organelles. Your cell organelles name is Golgi apparatus, and here this first is this why their name is Golgi apparatus, because it is be first described by Camillo Golgi. So that's why on the name of scientist, the name of this organelles is Golgi apparatus. And what is the shape of this Golgi apparatus? Golgi apparatus shape is, it's contain parallel stacks of membrane bounded vesicles, means they are like this. All are be attached with each other and it make the shape. Parallel stacks are present in this case of Golgi apparatus, and the structure it is known as cistern. Okay. Now, what is the function of Golgi apparatus? It help in storage, modification of or packaging product inside the cell. Means all the storage of protein, either protein, lipid, energy, all the storage is be done with the help of Golgi apparatus, and it helps to be change more complex sugar into simple sugar, make the complex sugar from the simple sugar. So this is also the function of Golgi apparatus, and the very important function of Golgi apparatus, it helps to be synthesis of lysosome, and you all know very well the lysosomes are very important, and they are the suicidal bag, which because it help in the waste disposal inside the cell. So this making of the lysosome with the help of Golgi apparatus is the very important function of our Golgi apparatus. Means if Golgi apparatus are not present, it is not able to be make lysosome. If lysosomes are not able to make, how the waste disposal is be done inside the cell. So the cleaning work is be done with the help of lysosome, and who one make these lysosomes? Golgi apparatus. Now next is, it is very important. Means if we are not, if we not take food, we are not able to get energy, and if we are not able to get energy, and how we do it our work? So like this, if mitochondria is not present inside the cell, the other organelles are not able to be do work. Why? Because the main energy bank of our cell is known as mitochondria. Like if we have a phone but we have no charger, what will happen? After some time battery low and it is be dead. But if charger is not present, how we own our phone? So like this. So here the charging work, who want charge our cell? With the help of mitochondria. So mitochondria play a very important role, and it is be made with the help of two membrane. Means this is the structure of mitochondria. Here this, in this shape mitochondria present, here two double membrane present. Means one is outer membrane, then it is be a middle membrane. So here this two membrane, double membrane structure present mitochondria, and outer porous membrane is transfer of material, or inner one is be highly folded to form a crystia. Means it helps to be make ATP, in which form the energy is be produced by mitochondria in the form of ATP. So it is also known as, ATP is also known as energy currency of the cell. And what is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. And that's why it is also called powerhouse of the cell. Okay. And one more interesting thing for mitochondria, they have its own DNA and ribosome. So protein synthesis be done by the mitochondria also, because it contain ribosomes. After this, you have other very important cell organelles, lysosome, who one is be synthesized with the help of Golgi apparatus. Okay, so here this lysosome play a very important two functions. First one, it act as a suicidal bag, and second one, it act as a waste disposal system. How this works? Suicidal bag means it have its own digestive enzyme which help to be burst and digest own cell in the case of damage. कि कोई भी मेन सुसाइडल बैग क्यों बोला? क्योंकि वो अपने ही सेल को ईट कर लेता है, खा जाता है. सो डेट्स वाई इट इज़ नोन एज सुसाइडल बैग, बिकॉज इट बर्स्ट एंड डाइजेस्ट own cell in case of damage. And the why it is known as waste disposal, because it help in the removal of waste material outside from the cell. Why? How it is be occur? With the help of digestive enzyme. So this digestive enzyme help in digestion of worn out cell organelles and the foreign material present inside the cell. So here lysosome have benefit also and the harmful effect also. How they are harmful? Because they act as a suicidal bag also. They eat its own cells that is be living in stage at the time of damage. So this is very harmful for our cell if lysosome eat their own cell. But in other side, it helps in waste disposal, it acts as a waste disposal system, means it helps to be digest warm out cell organelles and foreign material outside the cell, and with the help of digestive enzymes. So these lysosomes play a very important role. Now after this you have a plastid. Plastid is only present in case of plant cell, and these are of three main types: chloroplast, chromo and leucoplast. So there are three type of plastids are there: chloroplast, leuco and chromoplast. Okay, plastid has its own DNA and ribosomes like mitochondria. Only these two organelles are present inside the cell who have its own DNA and the ribosomes. Okay, it is only found in case of plant cell. So plastids are of three main types: chloro, chromo and leuco. Okay, and what do you mean by chloroplast? Are you heard the term chlorophyll na? From where chlorophyll present? Who one contain chlorophyll? Chloroplast contain chlorophyll pigment, and this chlorophyll pigment is very important in process of photosynthesis. So with the help of chlorophyll only this photosynthesis process occur. Now what do you mean by chromo? Means you are seeing very different type of flowers in your plants na? How this color come? With the help of chromoplast. Means any flower have red color, pink color, any other color because of the presence of chromoplast. Okay, add color to organ like flower and fruit. Now leucoplast is colorless plastid, and it helps to be storage starch, oil and protein inside the plants. So one help in storage leucoplast, and it have no any color, it is colorless plastid present inside the plant cell only. Okay, so this contain chlorophyll pigment, it helps in photosynthesis process. That's why this chloroplast or chlorophyll is known as kitchen of the cell. So after this, after plastid, you have vacuole. Vacuole is also very important. How it is important? Because this vacuole play a very important role, because it is help in, it is very large in case of plants. Why very large in case of plants? Because the function of vacuole is storage of food, and who one is we make food? Storage sac is the other name of our vacuole. And who one make food? Plant cell make food na. So in which case the more storage of the food occur? In case of plant cell only. So in case of plant cell the size of the vacuole is very big, and in case of animal cell it is be present in very small size, and either it is be not present also. Okay, and it is be small size in case of animal cell. And the full of cell shape, and it provide a rigidity and turgidity to the plant. Means hardness of the plant is because of the presence of vacuole, and it help in storage of glucose, amino acid, sugar and all the excretory waste, which is be very necessary to be disposal from the plant cell. And this waste disposal work is also be done with the help of plastid. So with the help of vacuole, sorry. So vacuole also play a very important role, and it is be bigger in size in case of plant cell, and in case of animal cell it is be very small in size. Now here you have the diagram of plant cell also, and the diagram of animal cell also. So what do you mean by here? The first one, this outermost covering of the animal cell is known as cell membrane, and in case of plant cell this is double membrane structure because it contains cell wall also. The outermost covering in case of plant cell is the cell wall, and the outermost covering in case of animal cell is known as cell membrane. Okay, the powerhouse of the cell is also present in case of both plant also and the animal also. Okay, so in case of plant also and in case of animal also, this powerhouse of the cell is present. Cell wall clear, cell membrane clear. Okay, cell membrane present in case of both plant also, animal also, but cell wall is present only in case of plant cell. And after this you have chloroplast. Chloroplast, here you are seeing this green structure na. How this is be green in color? This is be green in color because it help in photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process. Ribosomes help in protein synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in to make a lipids and protein inside the cell. Nucleus is very important because it have hereditary material passed from one generation to another generation. Golgi apparatus help in modification and packaging work. The vacuole size you are seeing here, it is be very bigger in size in case of plant cell. Okay, and in case of animal cell, the size of vacuole is very small. And this is the Golgi apparatus present in your cell, and all these type of things are present in our cell which help in play a very important role, and all the cell organelles are a different function inside the cell. So here you have three type of solution. There you all know hypertonic, isotonic and hypo. What do you mean by hyper? Means the cell, in case of cell the water amount is more, then what will happen from cell to outer environment. So water movement from cell to outer environment. Okay, if isotonic equal, then it is also gone inside also the cell and outside also from the cell. But if cell have a less amount of water, what will happen? Then it is be go inside the cell. So on the base of the number of amount of the water present in case of cell, there are three main type of solutions: hypertonic, isotonic and hypotonic. Okay. So here you have a diagram of prokaryotic cell. Bacteria means one bacteria diagram is given here in our body, like plasma membrane is also present in case of bacteria, and cell wall also present in case of bacteria like plant cell. Plastids, DNA, and the for movement what is present in case of bacteria, the flagella which help to be movement from one place to another place. And here you have given also given which type of structure we see when we see onion pulp in peel inside the microscope. Okay, so this is the shape like a bricks, and this pink color is your nucleus. Okay, clear to all? So here we discuss about the concept map of this chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. So this chapter is very important chapter. So revise your chapter with the help of concept map. You understand any concept in a good manner, and with the help of, and also in a easy manner. Okay, so see this video. Thank you so much to all of you.